Well, hey guys, it's Farmer Corinna here at Shared Legacy Farms, and this is my next video teaching you all about the Instant Pot. My goal is to try and take away some of the fear of this machine and show you in kind of a step-by-step way how you can begin to experiment with it. So today I'm going to teach you how to cook dried beans in the Instant Pot. Now, if you cook with beans regularly, you know that if you have dried beans, you usually have to soak them overnight in some water for about 12 hours before you can use them. But with the Instant Pot, you can use dried beans and have them ready to eat in under an hour. So we're going to show you how to just do a very basic cooking dried beans. And then what I might do is I might put these into like a dried bean wrap, like make a salad out of them, or I can put them into a salad. I can stick them in with some tacos, or I might freeze a whole bunch of these after they've been cooked. So here's how it works. Super simple. The Instant Pot has just been plugged in, and if you can see, the LED display says off. Okay, so nothing else has been done. I'm going to take 1 pound of dried beans. I'm using pinto beans. You could use other kinds of beans, black beans, red beans. And I'm just going to dump these. They've been rinsed, and I'm going to dump these into my pot. Okay, then I'm going to add half of an onion. This is going to add some flavoring, I guess. I'm going to put that in there. I have 2 garlics that haven't even been chopped. They're actually from my freezer that I froze. I took the skins off. Those are going in. 2 bay leaves, tossing those in. About a teaspoon of salt, so I don't know, I'm going to eyeball that. Tossing that in. And a tablespoon of olive oil. Okay, here we go. That's about a tablespoon. See how imprecise this is? And then you're going to add the water. So for this amount of beans, the recipe suggests 8 cups of water. So I'm just going to pour those right on top. It's going to cover the beans. That's good because we know that the beans are going to expand, right? Okay, there's our liquid that's going in. That's it. That's all we put into the pressure cooker. Then we're going to take the top. We're going to make sure that it's in the sealed position, okay? It's pointing straight down, and we're going to seal. Do you hear that? I love that. It's like an arcade game. And we're going to turn it. Do you hear that? Yeah. Okay, so now I know that it's sealed. Now I'm going to turn on the pressure canner. And to do that, we're going to hit manual. And it's going to ask me how many minutes. 30 minutes is the default setting. I actually want it to cook for 30 minutes, so I'm going to leave it at that. If I want it to be higher for something else, I'd push the plus button. So now it's beeping. It's telling me that it's starting to turn on, and that's all I have to do. And I just let it cook. It's going to take a while to come and seal, and then it's going to be finished. I'm not going to release the pressure. When it turns off, I'm going to let it just release its own pressure and let it sit for about 30 minutes before I unlock it and take it off. Super easy. So that's how you cook beans, and stick around for my next tutorial that's going to teach you all about the different ways that you can release pressure from a canner.